Kururungana wa arutwo thukuru-ini wa University wa Dedan Kimathi kaunti-ini ya Nyeri ucungiriirie hathara ya indo cia makiri ma mbeca kuria riu thukuru uyu uhingitwo kwa ihinda ritoikaine. Gitumi kia mururungano uyu ni kuongererwo kwa marihi ma thukuru hari o term kuma shiringi 35,000 nginyagia shiringi 65,000 undu uria maugite ndungihotekeka.
Tingitikira mwana wa muthini aumwe kihoto giake gia guthoma. Muthenya wa vice chancellor ni araririe na andu angi na aramera ati okorwo ndi na mbia ndungihota guthoma thiini wa university ino. Na tondu ni twina rights ya guthoma ri nikio turera university na tukela vice chancellor na tukela senate na council ya university ino ni magirwo ma reduce school fees nigetha mundu wothe akorwo na aone chance ya guthoma.
Kitu moja fee iliongezwa kutoka 37,000 hadi 60,000. Haya, the next thing tukaenda kwa VC. Hiyo semester yenye imeisha 1.2, semester ya pili ya mwaka ya kwanza. Akasema hii maneno juu sasa hii semester tumeanza, wacha kwanza iishe, atasikiza kwa second semester. Hii second semester inaenda kuanza Monday na hii nyingine imeanza Friday. Tuko na 1 week ya break. 1 week only, sasa ndio uweze kutafuta fees ya hii second year. Na ni 60,000.
Thutha wa mururungano ota uyu uria uratafanitio ni arutwo a kothi cia urigitani university-ini ya Nairobi muthenya wa ira, riu atongoria a ngwataniro ya arutwo a university no thukuru-ini wa biacara ni marutite mukana makiuga wona thirikari yaga kwaririria thina uyu matikunoga gutafania mirurungano.
And I want to urge all comrades to prepare for a do or die face-off. We are giving the government until Monday to address our situation, or else we are going to call for a mass demonstration across the country.
And we're wondering why were the student leaders not considered in the engagement to increase this fee. We want to tell the administration that failure to involve UNSA is like creating chaos, and we are going to create chaos. We are going to demonstrate and we are going to the streets.
Ihinda-ini riu gikundi kia Ambunge ni manyitite baru murugamo wa arutwo aya nao makiranira gwituranira mirurungano-ini ino angikorwo thirikari ndigutashukia ikinya o riothe.
I've checked with the students in my constituents, for instance, and I've discovered that most of them are struggling. Some of them are even at home because of payment. We have tried to give them bursaries, but parents have paid nothing. Now, what will happen if the fees are increased? It means that we are going to have nobody in school.
No further increment should be done on any institution in this country without due consideration of the challenges we have as parents and as leaders in this country.
Kuhitukira mwandiki munene David Atela, ngwataniro ya ataramu wa urigitani KMPDU ihinyiriria ati ndigwitikiria ona hanini thirikari gukinyaniria nyongerera ya mbeca ici.
We are calling upon the Minister of Health, the Minister of Education and the government at large to reduce the fees and to allow the doctors to graduate so that we can have specialists more in the country, and more so to also employ these doctors who have graduated from undergraduate and are remaining in the country not working.
Haduine Hakameme TV, Titagogena, Wabadu.